Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am Ms. Ibadat and I am your math teacher and I warmly welcome you into my classroom. I teach you math, so let's take a quick look at today's lesson. But before that, let me give few instructions to your teacher. Differentiate between objects on the basis of their size. And which skills we're going to talk about today? We're going to talk about your speaking and reading skills. But there are few other things given in this lesson in the description of this video, which are PowerPoint presentation, lesson plan, worksheet and other activities for the better understanding and convenience of the person who is watching the video. So let's begin with the lesson. I want you to pause the video and quickly open this page on your book. Okay, playgroups, I hope you have opened this page on the book. So quickly take a look on the page that what things we have on the page. We have a big elephant on the page and a small tiny rat on the page. And on the right side of the page, we have few activities which we're going to do just now. So let's begin the lesson with the recap. What we done in the previous lesson, we sang a bug poem, big and small poem, and then we compared different objects, and then we made the flashcards of big and small, which were, I also showed you the flashcard I made a big umbrella and a small umbrella, and then I made a big emoji and a small emoji. Right? So hopefully you are having your flashcards with you right now because it's going to help you within the lesson of big and small. Repeat the gesture with me, big and small. Let's take a look at the screen. So it's a rhyme time. Okay, it's the previous rhyme we're going to sing about bugs. So what the poem is about? It's about bug. Now get up from your seat. It's your poem time. Get up from your seats and come forward and we're going to enjoy the poem. Big bugs, small bugs, big bugs, small bugs. See them crawl, see them on the wall. See them crawl, see them on the wall. Creepy, creepy crawling, never, never falling. Bugs, 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 bugs. Excellent playgroup. You can always pause the video and you can practice the poem as many times as you can. So let's take a look again on the screen. So these are the pictures given on your book. Look at your book. ये वाली picture जो है ये आपकी book के ऊपर बनी हुई है. Now what I want you to do, I want you to turn the page and open the previous page. उसके ऊपर क्या बना हुआ है? We have two fish on that page. One fish is big and one fish is small. But what we have today on the page, we have one elephant and one rat. Both are different animal. And yesterday we did the same animal. So now I am telling you that different things can be big and small as well. Now expand your hands like an elephant. You make your hand and use it like a trunk. Expand your hands like an elephant and you can squeeze your arms, the distance, you can small the distance and you can say word small, big and small. Now, I am going to show you the things which are in your environment and which are big and small. This is a big chair and this is a small chair. You look around in your class, if you have chairs in the class, your teacher's chair will be big and your chair will be small. What other things I have? I have found a big tree and a tiny plant. If you go outside, if you go in any garden, you will see there are big trees and small plants as well. And what more things I found, that I saw a big slide and a small baby slide, right? This is for big kids and this is for toddlers. Now what do we have here? We have activity for the math corner. And what we're going to do, children will count at least 2 small and 2 big items. You can bring go to the math corner and bring back two big and two small things. Now pause your video here. I'm waiting for you. Come back and we're going to discuss it then. Okay, playgroups. Hopefully you have come back with the objects, two big and two small. I have here big and small objects for you. First, look at this. This is a big ball. What is this? This is a big ball. And where is the small ball? Playgroups, where is the small ball? Here. I have hidden it within the big box. This is the small ball. What is this? This is a big ball and this is a small ball. Excellent, playgroups. I hope you have brought the big and small things as well. Now one more thing, as I ask you to bring two objects. Another thing, this is a big cup hai na? And now this is the small cup which I have hidden within the big cup. Big cup and small cup. Big ball and small ball. You can pause the video and repeat the wordings. Big ball, big cup and small cup. Now let's come back to the screen. We have one more activity in another corner, which is hands-on activity. Excellent, playgroup. And what we're going to make in this activity, we're going to make one big and one small ball with the Play-Doh. Okay, playgroups. Now go with your teacher into the activity corner, and I hope you have gone there. And what we're going to do now, we're going to pause the video. I want you to make one big and one small ball with the Play-Doh. Rotate the Play-Doh in your hands and then bring back your Play-Doh and we're going to see it. Okay, playgroups, hopefully you have come back and you have made your balls. Now I have two colors of Play-Doh and I have made my balls, one big ball and one small ball. Let me show you. I have made a big ball with red color and I have made a small ball with another color. See, one is big and one is small. Now come back to the screen. Okay, this is time for wrap up. Now we're going to repeat the activities we have done in this lesson, which are, we have compared the size of an elephant and a rat, right? I told you that two different things have different size. One thing was big, one animal was big and one animal was small. Do you remember watching Jerry in Tom and Jerry, right? Have you noticed the size of Jerry, that he is very small and Tom is big, right? So elephant is big and rat is small. And then what we did, we compared the objects, big object and small object, two cups and two balls. And then we made two balls, one big ball and one small ball with the Play-Doh. And I want you to swipe your craft with your peer ताकि उनको पता चले have you made the right size of ball or not. So with that our lesson has come to an end. Now it's time for the homework. What homework we have? Find a big and small object at home. So what we have done these activities within the classroom. Now I want you to go home and find one big and one small objects at your home. With that, our lesson has come to an end. अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा. I'll catch you in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.